Hello everyone, this is Rig. In this video, we will dive into the history of aviation with this in-depth presentation on major aircraft accidents that shaped the safety protocols we see today, from the Hindenburg disaster to the mysterious disappearance of MH370. We will explore the causes, impacts, and the lessons learned from these tragic events. So let's move forward. Introduction. Air travel is one of the safest modes of transportation, but history shows tragic accidents have shaped its safety standards. This presentation chronicles key aircraft accidents that caused significant loss of life and had a profound impact on aviation. Each slide details an accident's location, aircraft involved, fatalities, causes, and its significance in improving the safety protocols. These incidents include collisions, structural failures, miscommunication, and technological malfunctions. The accidents highlight how human error, design flaws, and unforeseen circumstances have led to disasters. Learning from these tragedies, aviation authorities have enhanced maintenance, training, and traffic control. Understanding these events helps acknowledge the industry's resilience and progress. Hindenburg disaster 1937. Location: Lakehurst, New Jersey, USA, during docking at a naval air station, Lakehurst. Aircraft: LH-129 Hindenburg, a German passenger airship. Fatalities: 36 out of 97 passengers and crew, along with fatality on the ground. Causes: a hydrogen leak caused a catastrophic fire ignited during the landing procedures. Significance: the disaster marked the end of airship travel due to safety concerns with hydrogen. Response: sparked a shift to helium based airships and increased safety measures for alternative aircraft. The crash broadcast and photos shocked the world, emphasizing the need for aviation safety improvements. BOAC Flight 781, 1954. Location near Elba Island, Italy, en route from Rome to London. Aircraft: De Havilland Comet 1, the world's first commercial jetliner. Fatalities: all 35 passengers and crew aboard died in the crash. Cause: metal fatigue caused by repeated pressurization and depressurization cycles. Significance: highlighted structural weakness in jet aircraft design. Response: led to grounding of all Comet aircraft and extensive investigations by aviation engineers. Redesigns and testing protocols introduced after the crash revolutionized safety in jetliner production. Tenerife Airport Disaster 1977. Location: Los Rodeos Airport, Tenerife, Canary Islands during foggy conditions. Aircraft: two Boeing 747s, KLM Flight 4805 and Pan Am Flight 1736. Fatalities: 583 people, making it the deadliest aviation accident in history. Miscommunication between the KLM pilot and air traffic control led to a runway collision. Significance: brought attention to the importance of standardized aviation language. led to improved cockpit resource management (CRM) and air traffic control procedures. Foggy weather and diversion of flights to the small airport were significant contributing factors. American Airlines Flight 191, 1979, near O'Hare Airport, Chicago, shortly after takeoff. McDonnell's Douglas DC-10, one of the largest aircraft of its time. Fatalities. All 273 passengers and crew aboard died in the crash. Cause. The left engine detached, causing damage to hydraulic systems and leading to loss of control. Significance. Highlighted the dangers of improper maintenance and inspection practices. Response. FAA ordered grounding of DC-10s until safety issues were addressed. This accident remains the deadliest in US aviation history. Saudia Flight 163, 1980. Location Riyadh, Saudi Arabia during an emergency landing after a fire broke out. Aircraft Lockheed L-1011 TriStar designed for long haul routes. Fatalities all 301 passengers and crew, making it the deadliest accident involving no crash. A fire in the cargo hold spread, and evacuation delays resulted in smoke inhalation fatalities. Significance highlighted the deficiencies in emergency evacuation protocols and fire detection systems. Response led to stricter fire safety regulations and improved emergency evacuation drills. The crew's delayed response was a critical factor in high death toll. Air India Flight 182, 1985. Location over the Atlantic Ocean off the coast of Ireland en route from Montreal to Delhi. Aircraft Boeing 747 and 237B, one of the largest passenger planes at the time. Fatalities all 329 passengers and crew aboard perished in the bombing. A bomb exploded mid flight, placed by Sikh extremists targeting Indian authorities. Significance remains the deadliest aviation attack involving a single aircraft. Response led to heightened security measures and bomb detection in airports globally. The incident revealed flaws in international intelligence sharing and passenger screening. Japan Airlines Flight 123, 1985. Location Mount Takamagahara, Japan, after losing control over a mountainous area. Aircraft Boeing 747 SR, a short range version of the iconic jumbo jet. Fatalities 520 out of 524 on board, making it the deadliest single aircraft accident in history. Cause structural failure of the rear pressure bulkhead due to improper repairs 7 years earlier. Significance highlighted the importance of rigorous maintenance and repair audits. Response extensive redesigns in pressure bulkhead and mandatory inspections for similar aircraft. The incident emphasized the impact of human error in aircraft maintenance practices. Charkhi Dadri mid-air collision 1996. Location near Charkhi Dadri, Haryana, India, during approach to Delhi Airport. Aircraft Saudi Arabian Airlines Boeing 747 and Kazakhstan Airlines Ilyushin Tu-76. Fatalities All 349 passengers and crew aboard both flights. Cause Miscommunication with air traffic control led to mid air collision. Significance One of the deadliest mid air collisions in aviation history. Response Led to mandatory installation of traffic collision avoidance systems TCAS globally. The accident highlighted the importance of standardized English for air traffic communication. Concorde crash 2000. Location near Charles de Gaulle Airport, Paris, shortly after takeoff. Aircraft BAC Concorde, a supersonic passenger jet. Fatalities All 109 on board and 4 on the ground. Cause Tire debris punctured the fuel tank, leading to catastrophic fire. Significant Marks the decline of supersonic passenger flight. Response Improved runway debris management and reinforced fuel tanks. This accident underscored the importance of addressing minor risk with significant consequences. Malaysia Airlines Flight MH370 2014. Location Indian Ocean presumed vanished while en route from Kuala Lumpur to Beijing. Aircraft Boeing 777 200ER known for its reliability and range. Fatalities All 239 passengers and crew presumed dead. Cause unknown. The aircraft disappeared from radar without any distress signal. Significance Sparked the largest and most expensive search operation in aviation history. Response led to improved tracking systems, including satellite based global aircraft monitoring. The disappearance remains one of aviation's greatest mysteries. Malaysia Airlines Flight MH17 2014. Location Eastern Ukraine, a conflict zone en route from Amsterdam to Kuala Lumpur. Aircraft Boeing 777 200ER, the same model involved in MH370. Fatalities All 298 passengers and crew on board. Cause Shot down by surface to air missile during Ukraine Russia conflict. Significance Heightened the risk of flying over conflict zones. Response Increased no fly zones over war torn regions and revised flight routing protocols. Legal proceedings held parties accountable for the missile attack. Ethiopian Airlines Flight 302 2019. Location Bisoftu, Ethiopia, 6 minutes after takeoff from Addis Ababa. Aircraft Boeing 737 MAX, a new generation fuel efficient aircraft. Fatalities All 157 passengers and crew on board. Cause Malfunction of the Maneuvering Characteristics Augmentation Systems MCAS. Significance Grounded the Boeing 737 MAX fleet worldwide for nearly 2 years. Response Strengthened scrutiny of aircraft software systems and pilot training programs. This crash, along with Lion Air Flights 610, exposed serious flaws in Boeing's safety culture. Conclusion: aircraft accidents have shaped aviation safety through painful lessons and technological advancements. Investigations have identified critical areas such as design flaws, human error, and system malfunctions. These accidents prompted stronger maintenance checks, advanced cockpit technologies, and better training. International collaboration and standardized protocols improved air traffic communication and flight monitoring. Tragedies like MH370 and MH17 emphasize the importance of addressing modern risks such as geopolitics and technology. Learning from these incidents ensures a safer and more resilient aviation industry. The industry continues to evolve, prioritizing safety to prevent similar disasters in the future. So that was all about major aviation disasters. Hope we can learn from this video, and thank you for your love and support.